Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix hide and unhide app on any iPhone. So guys, fix this problem. How to fix this problem? So guys, do not waste any time. I will request to my all friends. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज मेरा वीडियो बनाने का मकसद यही था कि हम जो ऐप हैं वो हाइड और अनहाइड कैसे कर सकते हैं आईफोन, किसी भी आईफोन पर। तो सब भाइयों से फिर भी मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कि मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। So do not waste any time. So fix this problem. First solution you have, then any app on iPhone you have want to hide. So I will hide the app Facebook. So click on Facebook, then you have remove app on tab, and then you have click on remove from home screen, and then your problem will be fixed. If this app is hide no show on your screen, then he is show on the uh, library. You the you have want to unhide on app, you have go to library, and then you have click on Facebook, and then you will close, and then you have click on, and then you have click on Facebook, and then add to screen, and then he is unhide on your iPhone. So guys, hopefully after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.